say, and the security service work or home the buy out for Mr. Look at 24 hour but your back here by working a party. Job 133 no, somebody implements here. I don't think some county public baby go. I must stampede near the see young for woo ya no.
I was a me mamunya na makwa ba de bagana nsem TV so. Bon mo de so be like video na be subscribe to the channel na turn on notification. So na be next time videos of this nature about so bit makabi. Na say munye me from Mr. President. Nti if by chance so person contribute to my studio you person boy me improve your studio sound, light, internet. Mostly in Ghana we have a lot of internet issues. And then yeah, some of our sound works are really not up to standard. If we really want to help, you can support us through the number that was here. Yes, I can better was so. Now, me make Kelvin am why, and I'm Mr. President am why. I was for me did say Ghana for na geo musicals. Say before more police, immigration, security services, forms, and here refund music and farmer home. That's what I believe. I believe that you refund your music in farmer home. Because Ministry of Interior, I want any Ponzi scheme to make money. I want any scheme I di benyesika. Because you can't come generate from that forms now. Mutton told them Ghana for na. I was for a broadway and NTS about 2.5 million Ghana cedis. In Kwanienya. Even if 2.5 million matis can so say a cassa form back could be 50 Ghana cedis. Estimatedly, they've gained about 2.5 million Ghana cedis. In this situation, form back could be 200 Ghana cedis. Into Ghana for by Pasha Miscasa no make you all. So I'm on penny to penny. They should refund the money to them. Because I was say Sangrophone mobile. Or more mentally unstable. Or more nyansa. A bit more mental issues. A bit more yare. Into me for Majuma. And if for music momo. Because I'm on a dominum some kuchamo bema or wanzam. And a wanzam, a manian chum bema or wanzama. Or more pitunka. Let's refund their money to them. It's your agenda money mahamani muntaka. It's in a money must say. Muntimin for Majuma. And I ban the same. And I'm share some money way and maybe muku wax stadium. Senamuni mse muntimi for Majuma. A banasena mo share and my movie a wax stadium. In the Ghana for a bibusa. Makola money bibusa. Was it a calculated effort? Book here. So a busafona or mobusafoni be a frame. Mammy fona momba a frame because of this security work. Because of this whole recruitment work. Then never catch on say and cranny be be a month more for more for 5,000 per ejumano. Then the buy free mo, ne baby a free, ne baby a free man and the bush be a free mo, or test mo ya, no soon be any day. Did we calculate all this? Tinin him saying to me for 500,000, bit more for 5,000. And they share my Ghana for be a cool work stadium no. And if my Ghana for be a cool various security recruitment points na you are John Dramani Mama. Ghanaians need apology. Ghanaians needs apology. Asim be a homete. Asim be near ya. Asim be transonum. Timunum someone to me for money and I'm sure man go be cool. So was it a calculated effort? We want to know. We would want to know. Come and apologize to Ghanaians. Come and explain better to Ghanaians because we need the explanation.
As in 8 billion old Ghana cedis. Kitchen cabinet 3 billion old Ghana cedis. What say ya Oyamancho? What say ya Oyamancho? Who? Muhuani wo. Ghanaian youth, Muhuani wo. NDC youth, Muhuani wo. And how we me Romo. You people don't have any shame. Me say, I see I don't get your statement. You obey me too, you know. Next time come man or dinner. I can accept it. As a TV near to the command Malodina, so on function telenovela. I can accept it. But passing a time TV, you are TV over 800 million. And you are gold board. The same gold board now say Omokwatra Okoye Jumano. You are TV. I was for Ghana youth. Yen shedding. At this point, yen shedding. Because I may send ya on my no airco. Any moon penny for a goom. Atnas ye decided as a mobile brona. Ghanaian youth, yen shedding. She, as some know who, dear ya, I was some when you want to say. The ordinary Ghanaian youth, as a work security service move, apple. Dantes. Video we make audio we nyame na mebo bomba me. The ordinary Ghanaian you to know. I say or kope adwuma aye or kope security service mo aye. The first allegation dey can be about so manyenya HIV. Enti ya disqualify mo. Second time ye ba be kan ye no. Ye so wo ma bonbon o ma pass aptitude test. Na abusuafo de twa me nsum kura ye me candidate General Mosquito. General Mosquito decided to react to say same way no. General Mosquito say na NDC youth me because I say one can't Ghanaian youth. I can't NDC youth. I say na mo enipa over 50,000. Mo kwa pay your friend is 500,000. Mo kwa pay police security service mo akono. Wo mo na be ya akron for me acheche wo mo. This is coming from your friend is a national chairman of a political party like NDC, party in power, or say, yes, me. And then people want them. That is, play me the audio.
Play me the audio, Mr. Juma Minimi Parano.
General say, Yamba Munyamu police.
I 50,000 police. 500,000. 50,000. 500,000. And one and Pekwai, a police. And you won't take 500,000. Now say, yes, you will be a Pekwai, a Pumblum. Yes, the farm police is for 500,000. The head on our many for crashes. Everyone I am was wrong. You and I are police. Everything why I never continue. This is how your president. Let him have 500,000 say. Obia petrol police.
General say, and to mo nipa 500,000. Mo so mo ko gu elwak. A ebi ko wu wo mu no. A mo se mo nyina mo ko police mu no. Mo ko soldier mu no. Mo ko immigration na mo bisa say, ho mo de ba ya akronfo, ami akwatete wo mo. Ho mo de ye benya o matiti ye fa nipa 500,000. A de mo gu police mu, ho mo de ye beche wo mo. At this point, Niemeti miakase Ghana youth, NDC youth, and they say, Mon shedding. Because the party now muko die chekwa yes sapro ne kwa omu mumo. Me say asem General Mosquito wan kan che Ghana youth in general. O ka kire NDC fo. I say, yes, me na make a general say, na money pa 500,000, musu kope police mu akono. Who na nya kro from ye tete wo. This is coming from the General Secretary of the political party in power. As 8 billion old Ghana cedis. Kitchen cabinet, 3 billion old Ghana cedis. What say ya oyamancho? What say ya oyamancho? Ehu mohwani wo Ghanaian youth mohwani wo NDC youth mohwani wo ehu anapa we mi hromo. You people don't have any shame. no. Next come. May common sense locate all of you. May say who the youth of this country who go to jail anymore. Bompa and bisanyansa. Bisanyansa. So that when something is going on, you can decipher it. When you because a document where you will be intrigued to go and read. Because at this point, I feel sorry for my country, Ghana. Me say, yeah, my melody na kitchen cabinet esiwo. Me nye sure say, 300,000 Ghana cedis. But God board for through Standogbe, acquire kitchen cabinet 300,000 Ghana cedis. God board for Akoto TV 800,000 Ghana cedis. And the Akoto gold board.
Yeah, unim areho se me wo mu no. Me network ni ye okay. Me network ni ha me kwa ote me nkan.
Me to nkan.
Unim areho se me wo mu. Efo na o hyen aben ye eyezu eyeza na nka o so mo de contract bi say ma no no so ne nebusuafo odidi no. O ma gie efo business no asanso inflate money. O mo inflate budget na dia ma standogbe. A o no oji salary as the deputy chief of staff. And you people are still here in comment section defending it. When if Obi or a carpenter or ye Juma carpenter for Juma Krom Hanum. Don't they have NDC good carpenters? And compared to me, I dear way. No, Muswenya Skadia Shaw Mumba school. But you see, we talk about it, and you have some half-baked youth in this country come and defend it. That's a sad reality.
Unim.
And your money be a yakana ya monti asian. Sometimes and yes, say kasa ne ye pa na say or mine ne yem penny ye. But if you are wise enough, you see that these people omo
landi wa wakoyi bi bakoton. Saga na we japade se gold. Na yetimi koyi gold no more than half. Ekoton abrakwaku na ye nu debt obligation be no na adura we are yankoton gold na nkotiaka ye be go through sciences bi dabi sabre na soso no na samidian fi any gold board for ni akoton gold at $10 billion abegu economy nim entina Ghana ye ho kire forest ho dabi etina ye de be pa anti ene ye to ade wa ko me try yi bi wa say I thought I publish it. Me back to me saying some key questions and answers. Why was it necessary to sell the gold? Was it for short-term liquidity needs or to address debt obligations? Who bought the gold? Why buy gold 4 months after selling? And then where is the Bank of Ghana going to buy the gold? And yet then you tell me more than 18 tons of gold. Now 4 months later, yes, I said yes, I could talk gold no for Ababegum. Now I could 18 tons now a ton, you know. Make calculation you were saying 18.6 tons now a ton, you know. You ton $2.2 billion. 2.22 billion. Yes, $2.22 billion. You can see a cotton gold in the same quantity, 18.6 tons now. You better no at $3.49 billion. But the bed yay. Now you say here more than $1 billion business, and the jack was about 1.3 billion. 1.3 billion, yes. And the Jacoso and said the Jacotoya near Japade na your 4 months ago. What could does it make sense to you? It doesn't make sense. And you never be no, and I'm a suspect. But I don't want to believe that. Say a young chronoma, not a Jimmy, but a Jimmy na a chrono. Right anywhere I know. This is the typical definition of operation recover all loot. And they have looted us. I'm not loot minor. Now what I say, Bank Square. Nebo adding. Who the one I will share as Nebo Dick. It's your bar, your budget is carrying now. Now, more just carrying now, more minor. Mbobu Danaguana. Yentini. Kwaku, I said we are home. na meye machine sunsun warehouse meye machine ewo sunsun kwantanan so ade nsan na pese mahama wadi awiei adane eyefede se anadwin ama yehu be yemfai and obia ye din wo ho yen kasa wo ho ehu kwaku mesin pese mahama ni vote na wo nyaaye no ama na dwe ne se Ghana ye ne dia ene nkofo bi so so mbekasa ida so bu so anasa nyesa so dia ya towo mo eto bia enkasa kwaku imagine se nka MPP yani pa ya timi ko fa gold reserves ko do about 31 tons no ye ton 1 ton per krampa enkasa bi si Ghana
na ko 4 crown ton gold Ghana gold reserve
dabi
PDC ye
that of AI mario
dabi
obo Nigeria na gold so
and let's go
okay
make I
na the nice gold so na obo di bia gulu ko
ko 4 pound ton gold
dabi
na wakofa Ghana gold reserve
what mu mienu
chemu 2
I 30 37
ah what
18 point something